This will be a very small lesson in which I will show you how to set up a domain name to point to your server. After you have configured all of these things, after you have made your whole server, we're gonna go to your domain name provider. In my case, it is GoDaddy. You have to go to DNS management and you will see host name right here. In other providers, I have seen this as child name servers or vanity name servers. So in GoDaddy, it is host names. Just click here and add two host names. You're going to add NS1. That will go to your server IP. Click on save. And you're also going to add the NS2 record. That will go to your server IP, but ideally it should be a different IP. So if your VPS provider or your server provider allow you to have multiple IP, then please use another IP here. But for the demonstration purpose, I am using this single IP server. Now wait for it until it adds it. So it can take 2-3 minutes, and now it has been done. Now let me copy this, and we're going to again go to DNS management, and here we will change our name servers to custom. Custom will be ns1.yourdomain, ns2.yourdomain. So now you have premium DNS servers. Wow. Okay, click on save, and now wait for 24 hours. It can take around 24 hours. Generally it takes 5 minutes maximum, I have personally seen, but the standard time, the limit is 24 hours normally. You see, it just worked. To be honest, that message disappeared. It means it worked. Now let's verify that. We will go to into DNS, and it is into dns.com/yourdomain. Okay, here you can verify. Here your name servers are correct. Congratulations, you have passed this test and you're good to go. Now you can verify everything is in green text. See, there is no cross here. This means your server is properly set up. And there are some warnings here, but that's really fine. They are not errors, they are just warnings. It says different subnets and all, and there are some informations. So until you have a red cross here, that's really fine. You have not made any mistake. So that's really fine. So this one is a info. That's really fine. Let's try to access our domain, or actually our server through our domain, proficientschool.com. And it says site cannot be reached. Okay. It says actually refuse to connect. Okay, that's fine. That's really fine. Let's try to log in. So port 8083 and see if that works. Okay, it is working. That's the error due to SSL. That's fine. Let's click on proceed, and yes, we are able to use Vesta using our domain. So it is working fine. Let's log in. And let's see why it is not working with the normal domain. So everything is fine. There is the server. In web it is listed here, and it's working fine. So let's actually wait for some time until it doesn't connect. Now right now it says it is refusing to connect. So firewall should not be blocking it. Let's check that. It says accept on all ports. So that's not a firewall issue. In such a case, let's wait for some time. If it still doesn't work, if it doesn't work, then we will find out some way, but I am quite sure it should work in some time. So let's wait for at least 1 hour and it should work automatically.